What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. Just made it down here to Hollywood because there's this huge car event going on today. They throw this event every year I think, and I've never been. I've always wanted to come. It's all supercars and hypercars. So of course I wanted to come get some vlog content and see these cars in person, because probably the most insane cars and most expensive cars I'm ever gonna get to see right now. I am still sick. I've been sick for almost a week straight now. I don't understand why. I think because I'm not sleeping enough. I don't know. I've been waking up early like every day. It's early as heck right now and I barely got any sleep again. Anyways, like I said, we're going to this car event. I think I'm gonna meet up with the homie Kevin with the orange BMW. And I think we might meet up with Zane, because I know Zane's here with his Aventador. He actually just wrapped it. You guys remember that white Aventador, right? He wrapped it a new color and he got new wheels. So it looks like a completely new Lamborghini. So we're definitely gonna check out his car, meet up with the homie Kevin, and see what kind of cars we see today. What's up, Foos?
What's up, man?
What's up, Kevin? Am I late?
Yes.
Guys, look what's next to me though. Woo. We literally just pulled up at this gas station where we were meeting Kevin, and this GTR just happens to be here. Maybe it's a sign, I don't know. This is how my garage is about to look though, when I got both these in it. I can't wait. Guys, I want one so bad. Another one. Oh my god. How did I make it? Sick ass food.
Damn, Nick, where you at?
Kevin is not taking this spot. You're fake, bro. Don't park there. Where am I gonna park? Alright, like 20 minutes later, I finally parked. Kevin freaking ditched me. I can't believe him. We parked right here. Hopefully no one tows my car or anything. We parked so far. We're like a mile away from the freaking car meet. Bro, I'm so mad at Kevin. I'm literally out of breath walking like 2 miles. We made it. I freaking hate you, Kevin. Bro, I parked like 3 miles down. Bruh, look at Zane's car. Holy shit. He got the new wheels, new wrap. God damn, bro. Freaking Zane, dude. This dude's crazy. Bro, there's this new wrap company and they make like this special material that looks like paint. It literally looks like paint. That is crazy.
I want to see this one.
Woo, look at all these Lambos, guys. So many Lambos. And my dream car right here. It's my dream car, bro. Check this Aventador out, bro. I like his wheel choice. That is different, bro. That's crazy. Aventadors, SVs, so many. Urus, Performante, Golds. Damn, bro. Some Sennas, 3 of them. These things are literally like spaceships on wheels. Holy crap, bro. Full carbon fiber, guys. All of them. Like every panel, carbon fiber. Oh my god, dude. Bro, these cars are insane. 277 miles per hour. I've done that. The Forza. La Ferrari. The freaking Ferrari, bro. The best. Look at this Bugatti. Whoa, bro. Pink Bugatti. That's how you know you got too much money, bro. This is what the homie Sean pulled up in that I was with right now. This car is insane, dude. Wide body, AMG GT. It's so wide. Holy shit. RDV's Urus. Wide body. Bro, this thing is like so sick. Woo! This is also one of my dream cars right here. Bro, and it's wide body. And then next to this wide body Ferrari. Crazy, dude. Another Ferrari. That's a sick ass color. Aventador SVJ. Holy shit, dude. Look at the interior. That's a lot of green. God damn, bro. I think I've never seen one of these. I want one so bad. All I want in life is this, but in red. And I'll be happy forever. Bruh. That is sick.
1, 2, 3.
Literally just has wheels on it and it's black. And lowered. Oh my, bro, that shit is sick. This might be my favorite looking one. That shit looks mean, dude. Perfect, bro. This is literally exactly what I would do to my Huracan. Same wing, same diffuser, all that. The top down and it's raining. He's tripping.
Imagine the sheriff's giving out everyone exhaust tickets. Imagine when they leave.
Guys, look at this Aventador. All black. It literally hurt my ear. Bro, what the fuck? That is so loud, dude. Must be nice. Sick ass thing. Bro, that's a BMW making that noise.
Dude, that sounds like gunshot.
That sounds like rock band.
That's not normal.
Damn, bro. Alright guys, back in E92. We left the car meet. It started to rain and everybody started leaving. But Zane told me that there's another like supercar car meet today. And it's literally like 10 minutes away. So I think we're gonna go stop by. Should I race him? We just met up with everybody. Hella supercars. We got vehicle versions, that YouTuber dude. Some other Lambos. Zane's Lambo. The homie Sean. There's 3 different climates. So loud. Why is that shit so loud? Guys, this new wrap looks insane. And the new wheels. Woo! He told me that his valves broke. So now it's just fully straight piped, I think. Car meet number 2 for the day. We made it. There's a lot of car events going on today. Damn, look what's here. This car meet definitely has a lot more modded cars. Damn, bro. These cars are sick. Mark's Huracan, my favorite Huracan in the world. What is going on, dude? It is raining so hard. Look at this beautiful GTR though. What's up, Joseph?
Bitch.
Joseph Najas, bro.
I don't even.
Let's go drift. Oh my god, bro. This is the sickest GTR I've ever seen. I'm not even joking. This is the sickest freaking GTR ever. Holy crap. It looks like a full-on race car on the street. Bruh. Bro, it's the sickest VTR, I think. The carbon fiber one is sick, but
I like
this just, I don't know. I like that livery. E36. God damn, that was clean.
What is the Sentra?
Holy shit, it's loud.
What am I looking at, bro? Did you guys see that door close? Imagine driving that. Alright guys, this vlog's all over the place. 2 car meets. Now we're all about to go on a big cruise. We got a lot of sick cars, like M4, M5. I'm getting pulled over, guys.
Can you get off your car for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Where you guys headed?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.